Hello everybody, it's Christine. I'm going to do it's not even unboxing anymore because I've already taken it out of the box, but I guess maybe kit reveal of the scrap room for the month of July 2026. Now there's an official unboxing on the scrap room channel, so I always go up a little bit later, a couple days later. So if you want to see like how the pro did it or whatever, I do encourage you to check out the YouTube channel for the scrap room specifically, but since I know not everybody subscribes to every channel or whatever, and I do love this kit, so I will just show you. I am on the design team. Transparently, this is gifted to me so I can make projects and stuff. So that all being said, I was a subscriber for years before. I just kept what is it? Not photo bombing, but I was love bombing. That's what it was. I was love bombing Rochelle at the scrap room. And I think finally she just said, okay, you can be on the design team. No, we had to try out, but you know what I mean. Anyways, okay, so here are our kits for the month. And what I get is the flavors of the month. I get the pattern paper add-on, and I get the embellishment add-on. So what I'm going to show you first is the flavors of the month, and then I'll get into the pattern paper add-on and the embellishment add-on, which are over there. So let me show you the first, what am I trying to say? First collection, and I will tell you there's a couple here, Bella Boulevard and the Simple Stories ones I'll show you. She's had to switch out the design team cardstock because we get ours so early. So if you get this subscription, you'll get a little different cardstock, but it's close in color. It's just a specific one. So let me show you the kits, or the collections. So this is obviously an Americana. It's Echo Park, America the Beautiful, good for 4th of July, Memorial Day, Labor Day, stuff like that. If you have military family members, all the goodies. So that's a sticker sheet, which I adore sticker sheets because I add foam and all that kind of stuff, and this will turn into, tons of embellishments. The first page is this pretty, I don't know if they have names. Let me see. Yes, page frame. So the front is this. I could see this being used 100 different kind of ways. I could definitely see like cutting this out and then creating like a window. That's gorgeous. You could technically just fussy cut this if you want to. I do like this blue wood grain behind it. I think I might end up cutting it out and doing like a window. Then we have a little star and bow on the back side. That's really pretty. A gorgeous floral, look at that, with the red, white, and blue colors there. And then a red stripe, which could go vertical or horizontal. It's printed horizontal, but either way. And then, because of course, and the reason I say that is because look, you can make a flag if you wish. So the next piece of paper has the white stars on the navy blue background, which there's not enough navy, y'all, in scrapbooking. There's just not enough. And then a beautiful red, white, and blue plaid. And then a couple of dark, let me look at the name. I'm so sorry. Let me double check myself here. It is Storm cardstock. Now this would be the color you would get in your flavors of the month. So that is the actual collection for the flavors of the month. Let me get into I think I'm out of order actually. I try to go in order, but it's okay. Here's my pattern paper add-on. And we have a cute little, look at this little country truck here, little milk jug, little wagon, very much small town, if you have parades or something like that you go to. And then a really pretty little gingham on the back, a paisley, a red, white, and blue paisley, and then a vertical or again horizontal. This one right here is one of the optical illusion-y types. I'm going to put a little piece of thing here so I know to put pattern paper add-on with that, because I do like to make note of that, so that when I'm making projects, I can tell you guys. And then from the embellishment add-on, it looks like it's going to be, I should have opened it already. Well, I guess it's an unboxing. I know some of y'all hate the sound of the paper, what do I want to call it? Plastic. So we get these little ephemeras here. Is our embellishment add-on. So you get the sticker sheet if you get the flavors of the month, and then you get this whole set of ephemera here. Come on, little guy. Static cling, Well, I'm not going to pull those out, but you can see that we got a little wordy bit here because you get a different mix anyways. It's like you get a certain number of pieces of the ephemera, so you wouldn't necessarily get the same ones I get. Oh, that's cute. Baby, you're a firework. I like that. Oh, Katy Perry song. Let Freedom Ring. Love that one. Celebrate the U.S. Of course, if you're out of the country, I don't know if she ships out of the country. I should know that actually. But this is whole little set that I got. And again, yours could be different or will be different most likely. I don't know how she selects that either. I should probably ask some questions. But I like to live in blissful ignorance, you guys. Live in blissful ignorance, so that it's like a little surprise every time I get it. So that's my embellishment add-on. I'm going to put a sticker on that too so I don't lose track of it. Because I don't want to get confused which one was the add-on, which one came with it. Okay, so that's our first collection. Our second collection is the Bella Boulevard. This is the one, my color is going to be a little different. The one in your kit will be violet blue. So mine might, is, I think the colors, I say that, let me see. No, that's the add-ons, you guys. Come on. Let me see here. Bella Boulevard. Right here. I think I checked this. I think I picked this one to do with my projects. Oh, I think I got white with it. So yours will have a blue. But basically, we have, that's our embellishments, and I'll pull those out in a second. Look at this. It's so cute. It's called Adventure Awaits. And I got this because my family, my husband, my daughter, my son, they all love to hike. I like to hike, but just slower. But look, it's got happy trails, adventure, etc. And then on the back side is a plaid. Really well-known color palette for Bella. Oh, look at these little lightning bugs, y'all. Those are so cute. Little lightning bugs and little purple stars with an orange tone on tone. Then we have our green tone on tone and a really pretty floral with little butterfly things. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, so pretty. And then a couple pieces of cardstock. Like I said, I got white. You'll get a color. And then the embellishments that we get. This one's in a little baggie. Oh my gosh, look at this little fish, y'all. And then little pieces of goodies here. We got a fishing rod, little animals. Again, your collection will be different. I do like the camera. Florals are always desirable. Little baby bits of enamel dots, which those are so pretty. What a beautiful palette. What a beautiful color palette, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love that. Little lightning bugs, some more little animals, another little mammals. Little tree, another lightning bug. Oh, got 3 little lightning bugs. That's good. A moon. Another tree. Oh, and a little camper. How cute is that? Okay, so if you go camping or fishing or any of that, this is a perfect little collection. I'm not going to bother putting that back in there at this moment. That takes too long. We shall do that when I'm back together. But then from an add-on, paper add-on standpoint, I have a diagonal strap, which love. A little tone-on-tone cloud going on here. That's called Wander Clouds. How pretty is that? A fun, I'm going to call this a wood grain. It's a wood grain. It's a cartoony-ish almost. You know, little animals would be cute on there. And then the trees. So that's our pattern paper add-on. Let's do this. And then our embellishment add-on, interestingly enough, is going to be a sticker sheet. So in this case, it's a bit of a flip. So on the Echo part, you got the sticker sheet, but then the embellishment add-on was the ephemera. In this case, you get the ephemera and then the sticker sheet's the add-on. But how cute is this? You got all the little wordy bits. You got some really great border strips here. That's cute. Born to Explore. All the fun little things here. Where are we? That happens. All right. And then our next collection. Let's see what I got on top here. I'm not really in any good order here. This is a Pink Fresh. Is this the one? I think this is the one. No, this is the right color. So what I have here is what you'll get. Pink Fresh is always beautiful. Look, beautiful butterflies. You could fussy cut these. Don't have to, but you could. A really pretty night sky. Look at that. Oh, if you have like a picture of a baby sleeping or something. Look at this. This is neat. This reminds me of like mica or something. You know, like a mineral or whatever. And then, oh, a fun little graphic here. I've seen where people like cut, you know, different little stair-steppy things. You could go this direction and kind of make like a, what do I want to call it, a bar chart. That's not really what I mean. Wait a minute. That's the pattern paper add-ons, you guys. Hold on. I'm out of order. Not good. Not good. This is the flavors of the month. That was the pattern paper add-on. Let me set this aside. Well, this is not very professional, y'all. I'm all out of whack. This is the flavors of the month. If that right there that I just showed you would be the add-on. So let me put a sticker on that. I usually organize myself a little better in advance of this. I'm gonna leave that there for a second. Okay, so here we go. But a gorgeous pie chart. This is great. Never go wrong with pie charts. Or pinwheels, whichever you want to call it. Pie chart, I guess. A really cute tone-on-tone, like plaid looking, like doodly plaid. That's really good. And then we have this fun, like this is always great. If you have a layout that you need to tell a long story, like you need to document a good size story, you could do like a smaller photo and then write a big long story with it. I love that. Or you could fussy cut this out, but I kind of like the story idea. This is really pretty. I like this. It almost looks like, oops, let me get on here. washi tape or ribbon or something that overlaps, you know, kind of thing, like wrapped around. That's really pretty. I like that. I like the whole hand drawn effect of these two pieces here. Oh, I love this color green. That is a really pretty green with that pink. And then the back side is, oh, that's cool. Like a, I don't even know how to describe that. What's the name of this? Keep moving forward. Okay, it's like a tunnel almost. That's neat. You could cut this too, right? You could cut this out or whatever. But I love that color. I'm not gonna lie, this is kind of my favorite side. A couple pieces of white cardstock, of course, to do your bases with. I can always get usually 3 layouts out of my collections. So I showed you these already, so that goes with that set. Let's see, I'm gonna put the cardstock in between so I don't mix up my regular papers with my add-on papers. And then the ephemera that we got with the flavors of the month. Obviously florals, because, you know, I love florals. Pink Fresh, little greenery here, floral. Oh, that's cute. Begin Again. Little push pin, little coffee thing. I don't actually know what that is. Somebody tell me what that is in the comments, please. I don't know what that is. Little pen, Small Progress. This is great for, like, if you have a wellness journey or something like that, you know, you want to start taking care of yourself. I love that. That's actually great. Self-care type stuff. I love that. Maybe I'll take a picture of myself in the mornings, you know, doing like a self-care type deal. And then they're really pretty enamel hearts and dots. So that's great. That comes with, and then the actual embellishment add-on is it this? Yeah, it looks like it's this. So you have like some chipboard pieces. It's all chipboard pieces, actually. What a great grid, you guys. So you could pop these all out and you could back this with the pattern paper. Oh my gosh. All the ideas flowing on that one. How stinking cute is that? Do more what makes you happy. Fresh start. Yeah, definitely like a self-care type deal. Oh, love that. I feel like I've messed up somewhere because I have Sweet Summertime left, but I have 2 bits of things. Why do I have 2 bits of things? Maybe they're both embellishment add-ons. I guess it's okay. I'm not gonna be sad about that, y'all. Miss Rochelle being generous over here. So this is the collection, Sweet Summertime from Simple Stories. What a fun palette on this one as well. I love this tealish color here. Really hot pink going on. A beautiful stripe with stitches in between. This is so inspiring, you guys. Oh my gosh, little polka dots. You could punch these up with your punch. How stinking cute with the different patterns. Love it. This looks like lights kind of blurred out, you know, with your camera. And then I've got a 4x6 cut aparts here. These are great. You can either cut them out, or you leave them solid. I could see like a little flip book or something, like summer photos maybe on the back side where you flip it up and you see them. A couple of pieces of Basil cardstock. And then our paper add-on is this really great like granny square quilt looking thing, plus a yellow of the little light aperture thingies. If y'all hear dogs, just ignore it. I think my daughter just got home and the dogs want to play. A little like green grass kind of color, tone on tone, polka dot, and this really cute scene. Oh, I could see cute little pictures. I don't have young children, but I bet I have something of Brooke. I have to imagine in the young age. I'm gonna put my sticker on here so I don't forget it's the add-on. And then this is what came with the collection. This is like chipboard. This came with the flavors of the month. So there's chipboard, there's ephemera, little frame, there's florals, of course. Oh, that's a cute little journaling spot. Let's see, do it like that. Frame. Oh, a little chipboard bird. Again, your mix will be different. I know I got to say that like 1,000 times because I don't want anybody to get confused. Like, why didn't I get that cute little bird in mine? Well, you may or may not get so lucky. I'm just saying. Again, florals. It's just a representation. Oh, she gave us foam stuff too. Y'all, she was really generous with these embellishments. Happy memories. These are so cute. Love this. So that's great. And then the extra, so if you get the embellishment add-on, Hold on. Let me put all this back together. Boopy boo. I'll have to put it back in its bag. I'm not gonna make y'all wait on me doing that. It's too much. Too much. And then the embellishment add-on. It looks like we get sticker sheet here, Cardstock Basics. I love this because you have all these little wordy bits, which are great titles. Nothing but blue skies heading our way. How cute. And then you have this little wave thing here, so if you want to do beachy stuff. And then additional, it looks like ephemera. I think that's correct. Y'all don't hold me to this if I've messed up something and got this mixed up. But look, got blue skies in the. I love this in the grass because that one piece of paper got a bunch of little goodies in here. Like there's lemonade, which who doesn't? If your kiddos are doing a lemonade stands, I love that. That's so cute. Riding through the summer, so you get bicycle pictures, cute trees. Again, sun, bird. Oh, he's standing on a little beach ball. That's a beach thing. Again, could go with that. Little cola, got a couple of drinks in here. Little ice cream truck deal. Slow down, enjoy life. I love that. Ooh, a shish kebab if you're grilling. And then the cute little toy. So that is our embellishment add-ons. So that is our, and actually I think I showed you guys, I got a creamy color here. It does say alabaster is what you would get in your collection. So whatever color that is, it's probably close to it. So that is the flavors of the month, pattern paper add-on and embellishment add-on for July 2026 for the scrap room. Again, that's a monthly subscription where you can get like just the flavors of the month and then you add on the other things. That's why it's called an add-on, obviously. Love it. I've been a subscriber for 100 years before I got on the design team. I really enjoy it because you get the 4 different collections and it's enough, I'm telling you right now, to do 2 to 3 layouts minimum. So it's really well worth the money. So that's our kit for the month. Let me know if you like it, if you joined, whatever. Just say hello because I always respond. Maybe a little slow sometimes, but I always respond. Y'all have a great July and we'll see you next time. Bye.